Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to manage inventory in Shopify, tracking stock and avoiding overselling. This is essential for keeping your store running smoothly and ensuring you never disappoint customers by selling products you don't actually have in stock. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Shopify dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your online store. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Click on Products. This section gives you access to everything related to your product catalog. Under the Products menu, you'll see several options appear. Go ahead and click on Inventory. This is where all your stock management happens, and it's the hub for tracking what you have available and what's running low. Now you'll see a list of all your products along with columns showing their current stock levels. You can input quantities directly into two key fields here, available and on hand. The available column shows how many units are ready to be sold, while on hand represents your total physical stock. Updating these numbers helps you manage your inventory easily and keep everything accurate across your store. If you need to update multiple products at once, you can select several items by clicking the checkbox beside each product name. Once you've selected the products you want to update, click Update Quantities at the top. This opens a bulk editor where you can add or subtract amounts from the selected products all at once, saving you a lot of time if you're managing a large catalog. Once you've made your changes, click Save to confirm them. Your inventory levels will now be updated across your entire store. Next, click on any individual product from your inventory list. This will open the product detail page. Here you'll see a toggle button beside the word Inventory. Click this toggle to activate Inventory Tracked. Turning this on tells Shopify to monitor stock levels for this product and update them automatically as orders come in. Just below that, you'll see an option labeled Sell when out of stock. You can also input a stock keeping unit, commonly known as an SKU, and a barcode if your products require them. These are useful for organizing your backend and connecting with third-party fulfillment or warehouse systems. If you want to allow customers to purchase this item even when it's out of stock, check the checkbox for Continue Selling when out of stock. This is helpful for pre-orders or made-to-order items, but be cautious with it to avoid customer frustration. Once you're done configuring these settings, click the Save button at the top of the page to lock in all your changes. And that's it. You've now set up inventory tracking in Shopify, giving you full control over your stock levels and helping you avoid overselling. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.